Hello my friend, well my name is Abhishek Singh and in this video I am going to explain you what is digital marketing, what is the benefit and how we can make money from digital marketing. Home, don't concentrate on money actually. First you have to understand what is digital marketing, then we will also come on that point. Okay, so let's start. Well, digital marketing is an online marketing. That's very cool. Everyone know that. But we can also say digital marketing help our business promote on internet. That's called digital marketing. I'm a digital marketer, okay, and I can promote my business on Facebook, Instagram, Google AdWords. So I'm going digitally, so it's called digital marketing. Nowadays all the companies are just promoting their brand on Instagram, Facebook, all the social media and Google AdWords also. So they are going digitally because they understand the power of digital marketing, guys, and it's a good opportunity for you also to make a very good money from digital marketing, and there is a lots of job. But I told you now, let's discuss what is digital marketing, then we'll also come on that point. Okay, what is the benefit of digital marketing? So I can say, I'll just give you my example. I'm a digital marketer. I learn all the skills from digital marketing, how to do advertisement, blah blah blah, all the thing, how to make website also. So I can start my company called Digital Funda, okay, and I can promote on Facebook, Instagram and Google AdWords also. So I'm going digitally, okay. And if I talk about the benefit, so if I'm going on digital platform like a Facebook, okay, so I'm spending 100 rupees and I can easily reach to 1000 people, and in 1000 people maybe I can easily convert more than 4 to 5 customers. So you can understand, in 100 rupees your reach is 1000 and conversion is almost 4 to 5. But if I go for the offline method called newspaper pamphlet, so I don't think like in 100 rupees you can run any advertisement. So that's a beauty of digital marketing. I hope you understand about digital marketing, not everything but a little. I hope you understand. So now let's start. I told you like that topics, how we can make money. So how to make money from digital marketing? So like nearby you there is a lots of shops, small businesses. You can directly contact them, okay. Then if you learn, for example, you learn all the skill, how to create website, how to make social media campaign, how to run Google AdWords, blah blah blah, all the thing. So just contact your nearby shop and you can offer them, well, I am a digital marketer, I can promote your business on online. So actually, in market the person really need digital marketer, but they cannot find the digital marketer. It's true actually. So you can go on market and you can take the project, and for one project you can easily make 10 to 20,000 rupees in one day. And it's true. For example, they give you the project of website. You can easily create website on WordPress, okay, and then you can make 10,000 rupees on creating website. It will take hardly one to 2 hour, that's it. So then you can understand, like in 2 hours you are making 10,000 rupees. So there is no limit, okay, like in 1 month where you will go. So thank you so much and hope you understand what is digital marketing and benefit and the power of digital marketing. And thank you so much, guys.